Welcome back to the channel. Today I installed an impeller kit onto this Honda HS828. The owner was complaining that it wasn't throwing snow very well and it was clogging a lot in the wet and slushy snow. So the first thing I did was check the auger belt adjustment. You can, on the 828 and several other models, you can adjust this idler wheel. So I adjusted it in so there's more tension on the auger belt. That will help throw snow better with the augers moving better. Also, what I recommend is you put fluid film or some kind of non-stick spray on the inside of your chute, your bucket, and your auger so the snow won't stick. The wet snow and slush won't stick as much. I usually take the auger assembly out because that way I can service the augers, which we have other videos on in our channel. So please like and subscribe. I take this out. It only takes about 10 minutes. And I can take the impeller off the shaft here and stick it in a vise and drill the holes for the paddles. Now this job took me about 45 minutes from start to finish. The first time I did one, it took me a couple hours, but I've done so many of them, I've got it down to a pretty good method now. So before you need your, think about getting an impeller kit for your Honda, make sure you need it first. Try it out in actual snow conditions. See how well it throws snow. Make sure the RPMs at fast throttle are up to spec, usually around 3,600 or so. And if you really need one, then we've got a couple videos on the channel to show you how to install one. So thanks for watching, folks. Please like and subscribe as always, and we'll see you next time.